also a good way to practice for your future nursing classes, or any other concepts that you or classes that you might be taking and concepts that you want to use. Okay. So let's go ahead and share my screen. So for biology 189, you will use your bolded words here, bolded terms, and these are the bolded terms that you'll be using to make a concept map. You can ask your professor to see. Some professors do 15 terms. Some of them ask for you to do all of the terms that are bolded in the chapter review. It will just be up to your professor. So I have 2 different links, and then the third option of doing it through by hand. Okay, so the first one is lucidchart.com/pages/. Okay, so Lucidchart, it's free to sign up. You can log in or sign up with a Outlook account or Gmail account or a Yahoo. Okay, and you will go and scroll all the way down. I like to use this. It's called dependency graph. So it puts all of your concepts into dependencies. So for instance, we go back here and we have, you can put at the very top, chapter 1, invitation to biology. And then you can put biology and species, and you read along, and then you have atoms, molecules, organisms, cells, tissues, organs, organ systems. So these are, in a way, first of all, this is a question that's going to be on your midterm. Second of all, these are components that are so it's the property of life emerges from molecules, and then they go into cells. So this is a order on how they will be. So a dependency graph is very useful for this. Okay. Now that is through Lucidchart, and it's really simple. It's already created, and you just type away those terms. Okay. The second is MindMup, MindMup, and it's also free to sign up. And all you need is an email address. I will then go all the way down, make sure you're using the free user. You create a new map, and then it's really simple. You just create, let's just say you're doing chapter 1, biology, and you just type away. And then you can add more. You can even create, add pictures. So or let's just say you have a concept of section 1.3, you have producers and consumers. If you wanted to add a picture for that, you can also do that. And it's really simple, and there's a lot of different features on this as well. And you just click save, you save it to your computer, and then you can upload it or print it out. And then the third option would be just doing it by hand. So you're essentially just doing the bubbles, and then you're doing arrows to connect all of the different parts. So my trick here would be for, let's just say, summary 1 or summary 2. So you have all of these would all be into arrows connecting, intertwining with each other. Section 1.3, you have nutrients, producers, consumers. All of these go into the same area. So you'll have arrows connecting those. And then you have bacteria, archaea, prokaryotes, eukaryotes, protosis, plants, fungi, animals. All of those go into, you can do eukaryotes and then put them into arrows falling in within each other. Okay, so that is essentially how you will make your concept maps. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.